Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day. It's Abdel with my YouTube channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank you for all your support that you give for my channel. And if you are new, make sure to subscribe and comment below. Everyone knows that all oatmeal is a source of energy because it contains carbohydrate and fat. And in one of my several videos, I've talked about the health benefits of oatmeal and because it's very important for our body. Today I'm gonna share with you one recipe or two recipes. It's easy, simple, yummy and healthy. It's cookies using just oatmeal. I'm gonna share with you the sweet cookies and the salty cookies. You're gonna really love them. It's a perfect breakfast, or also you can have them for your snacks. Stay with me, let's do it together. I'm gonna prepare the first one, the sweet cookies. Sweetie cookies, I'm gonna use 7 apple, or 8. Here for my recipe, I'm gonna use just 7 pieces. So here are my 7 pieces peeled, and I'm gonna cut them and blend them. So now here is the smooth apple, 7 pieces. I'm gonna not use no egg, no butter, no oil. That's why it will be healthy cookies. Perfect. So here now I'm gonna add 400 gram oatmeal for this 7 piece apple. Keep mixing everything. I have some raisins. I give them good wash before use them. Instead raisins, you can use chocolate if you want. I prefer raisins. Then I have 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and I'm gonna make 4 teaspoons dried coconut. Now you see it's really mixed. You can't really mix it until you feel that it becomes taut. Now just wash your hands, good wash. We will prepare our cookies. Now everything is ready. I'm gonna put them in oven 180 degrees for about 20 till 25 minutes. And see you later. Now for the salty cookies, that one that I really love, I'm gonna add for my oatmeal 1 glass olive oil. This one you're gonna really love it. Just continue mixing until combines. Really, this one is the perfect one that children like also. I have dried onion, pinch of salt, I have sesame, here you can add seeds, 1 tablespoon sesame, then 1 tablespoon chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, then sunflower seeds, sorry. And I have black sesame, then a bit dried oregano. You're gonna love this one. It is salty, healthy cookies. Now mix everything. The seeds, you can smell it. And if you want the gold brown color, don't forget 1 teaspoon of honey. It's optional. Now time to add water and mix it until becoming dough. Add water. And continue whisking. If you want to use it directly, you can add warm water. But if you add cold water or normal temperature water, like me, I'm gonna let it for about 15 minutes in order to become a dough. After exactly 25 minutes, here is the result. My sweet cookies, healthy cookies, as I told you before, without oil, without butter, and also no eggs. So you're gonna love these cookies. So now I'm gonna put them on the side, and after 15 minutes it become a dough mix. And I'm gonna add some flax seeds. Flax seeds also are good for the body. Here we are. We're gonna do the same procedure, just use a little bit olive oil. Exactly 25 minutes, 180 degrees like the first one. Here is my salty cookies. Look at this beautiful gold brown color, and the smell is also wonderful. Here is my salty cookies, beautiful color, smell well. Great, you're gonna love them, I'm sure of that, for your snacks. Perfect. And here is the sweet one, the first one that we prepared. Also great breakfast or pre-workout. You're gonna love these two recipes. Really, it's crispy from outside and soft inside. I hope you're gonna try them at home and give me your feedback. See you next time, another recipe, and bye bye.